Hello! If you're a funeral service provider in Ghana, this guide is for you. We're going to walk through how you can build a digital presence on a dedicated platform, making it much easier for families to find and connect with you when they need your services the most.
So here's what we're going to cover. We'll start by looking at the changing world your industry is in. Then we'll introduce the digital platform that's designed to help. After that, we'll dive into how you can create your own profile, what you can do with it, and finally, we'll talk about your next steps.
All right, let's jump right into our first section, the changing landscape. We're going to explore why having an online presence for your business is really more important now than it's ever been.
It's a really important question to ask yourself. You know, word of mouth and your local reputation are absolutely vital, they always will be. But the way families actually search for services is changing, and there are a few key reasons why.
First, you've got the diaspora. Families living abroad need to find services back home in Ghana, and they're often searching at all hours across different time zones. Second, younger generations just naturally turn to their phones to look for information. And finally, there's just a new expectation for being able to find clear, organized details about services instantly.
So, all these changes really lead us to our second section, your digital front door. Here, we'll introduce a tool that was built specifically to meet these kinds of modern needs, and that's Ghana Funeral Services.
So, what is it exactly? Well, at its heart, it's an online directory, but it's a very specialized one. You can think of it as a single, go-to place where families who are actively looking for funeral services can find and connect with providers all across Ghana.
Now, in Section 3, let's talk about what this actually means for your business. We'll look at how this platform can bring real value by connecting you directly with the families who are searching for you.
Having a listing on the platform gives you several clear benefits. For starters, it increases your visibility online. It also helps you reach a very targeted audience. These are people who are already looking for your exact services. A professional profile builds trust and credibility, and most importantly, it makes it really simple for families to get in touch with you.
Okay, in Section 4, we're going to switch from the why to the how. So, let's walk through the actual process of creating your own free business listing on the platform. It's pretty straightforward.
It really breaks down into 4 simple steps. First, you sign up for a free account. Then, you just add your key business info and contact details. After that, you can describe all your services and add some photos. And finally, you just hit publish, and your page is live for everyone to see.
Your profile can be as detailed as you want it to be. You can add your logo and a main photo, list all the ways people can contact you, like phone, email, and WhatsApp. You can even write an About Us section to tell your business's story. And of course, you can showcase your services and add practical info like your business hours and a map to your location.
And this is a really great point. Your listing page basically works like a simple professional website all on its own. So if your business doesn't have a website yet, you can share this page as your official online presence.
All right, in our 5th section, we'll quickly look at some additional features that are available for those of you who might want to enhance your profile even more down the line. So there are 2 main options. The free listing gives you a standard professional profile that shows up in search results. The premium listing adds a few things, like priority placement in searches, the option to add video and more photos, and access to analytics so you can see how your page is performing. Another useful feature is the QR code. You can create one that links right to your business page. You can then put that code on things like your business cards or flyers. It's a really simple way to connect your physical marketing with your online page. And that brings us to our final section, your next step. Let's quickly recap what we've talked about and look at how you can get started whenever you're ready. You know, a good way to think about it is that your listing isn't just a static web page. It's really meant to be an active tool, kind of like the engine for your online marketing that helps drive visibility and connection with families.
It's really important to know that you can absolutely start with a free listing. You can always expand with more features later if and when it makes sense for your business. And if you need any help setting up your page, support is available.
So the opportunity is there. You can create your free listing and put your business right where families are actively looking for the kind of services that you provide. It's a direct way to build your digital presence.
So we'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Considering how much things are changing, how could a stronger digital presence help your business connect with more families and continue to grow?